Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some interesting DIY school supplies. I will show you how to make stickers and bookmarks. I hope you will like. And there is a poll at the top. Do you like all sorts of cute DIY school things? What do you like or not? And let's start! I printed out pictures and cut out there. Then glue them to the double-side tape. And on top we glue usual scotch. The stickers will be as glossy. And cut out it. Guys, support me, subscribe on my channel and share the video with friends, please. Remove the layer and paste it to the form. And glue it to double-side tape again. Next, make bookmarks. I cut it out such kawaii sweets and glue it to double-side tape. It's glitter self-adhesive foam. Glue a paper clip and on the top of it we glue the kawaii piece of cake. Cut off excess. And we will make more easy bookmarks. I get a great pleasure from the process, and I like that you watch me. Big thank you! Very easy and cute. These stickers can be done a lot and they can be different. Just download pictures, print, and continue to do as I showed. Guys, give me a thumbs up and comment the video. I read and reply to all the comments. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye!